Okay, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to our not so serious unboxing of the Galaxy Book 4. We just bought this a couple days ago from Best Buy. They had it on sale. This is going to replace a very old Dell Inspiron with an i3. This has an i7, I believe it's one of the Ultra processors. We're going to open this bad boy up. Don't expect to get a lot of technical information from this, but we're going to show you some of the designs, the ins and outs, and basically what's in the box. So, all right, let's do this. Okay. Okay, ready?
Gospel.
All right, like I said, not so serious. Okay, here we go. So, can you get a zoom in on that sticker right there? There you go. Make sure you get ready for the big unveil. Okay, what do we have first? This looks like this could be little instruction manuals. Okay, this section over here, this little box, that does not want to open.
Come on, you can open it.
I know. Holy cow. I think I opened it upside down. Look, I did. The easy way. I took the hard way. All right, we have looks like a standard USB-C cable for charging. More cardboard. All right, and the power adapter. Basic USB-C. You know, this is a pretty decent size cable.
Oh my gosh, that's big. We have to get a zoom out for that cable.
I know.
Oh my god. Zoom out.
Oh, 6 feet? Looks like it, huh? We're gonna say it's 6 feet, unofficially.
I'm gonna say it's 10 feet.
10 feet.
Because
right, 10 feet and 6 feet.
Because the camera always says something else, so
So here's the best part.
Oh yeah. What freaking
Look at this.
looks like a potato.
It looks like a potato.
I mean, it looks like a pancake.
All right, cameraman, make sure you get this. Look at that bad boy.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to get it.
Look at that.
Get back.
Very elegant, very thin design. Okay. Anything underneath? I don't think so. We'll double check. Nope, I think that's it. So we're gonna take this box. We're gonna throw it to the side. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to plug this in, and we're going to turn it on for the very, very first time. So before we do that, let's plug it in, because I bet you there's going to be some updates that need to be downloaded. So, all right, I'm going to open the lid up. Look at that screen. That is pretty nice, huh? Got some more potato packaging. All right.
Looks like a pizza box.
Do you see a power button? Because I don't.
Nowhere to be seen.
All right. So typically, you can really tell we have not bought any new laptops for a while. So what's that? Well, I'll tell you what. Included. Okay, here it is. There you go. Boy, I tell you, this definitely, you're not going to learn much from this, but hopefully you can at least see the screen loading up.
Oh yeah,
and, see everything.
Oh yeah, but that looks wonderful.
Samsung
nice.
Galaxy. Okay, here we go. Make sure you get the screen so we can see what we're doing. We're going to obviously pick English. United
Okay.
States, that's where we live. Yep. US keyboard. We're going to skip a second layout. We're going to connect to a network. All right. Let's see if I remember the password.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you get the laptop.
Never saw that quick connect when I got back.
How many? Go ahead. How many smart vacuums do we have?
No, on my S9, but i7 are the smallest ones. So we have like, if you want me to say all the vacuums, 20.
20. We probably do have 20 vacuums.
Yeah, because we have a lot, but we need just.
All right. So right now it's saying your PC will restart before you continue. So initially, so far, very nice design. Have you feel this? This right here.
Wait.
Let me feel with your toes. How does it feel? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This also does have a backlit keyboard. Looks like we have USB port and a headphone and jack on one side. HDMI. It's like a Ethernet port. Now the USB, USB-C. Anything on the back? Nothing on the back. But it is pretty light, pretty thin too. License agreement. So if we don't accept, we can't use this. So we're going to accept. So name your device.
We go name it.
You know what? We're going to keep it simple. We're going to name it for now because we can change it later. Let's just name it. Let's name it Galaxy.
Galaxy?
That's a cool name.
Wait, how about Galaxy Psi?
You know what? That's a cool one too.
Galaxy Psi.
All right. Right now it's saying just a moment, so we're going to give us more time. So one of the things that definitely attracted to us to this laptop is the price, but also the portability with it, like how thin it was. Again, coming from a Dell Inspiron from 5 years ago, one of the lower end models, of course. This is definitely a nicer upgrade for us. And I believe it does have a 15-inch screen. Boy, I don't know. That looks like 15 inches.
Fun fact, my back is always on that.
That's a fun fact.
Yeah.
You are 5 years old. Your back should not be hurting.
I know, but it's just taught to, okay? Don't question anything.
All right. So with this, it always makes you go through Microsoft sign-in to add your Microsoft account. Can we just skip this? And we're going to use a PIN, I think. Nope, nope, nope. We're going to a security key. Nope. I guess you do have to use. Something, huh? Okay. Let's go ahead and pause. All right, here we go again. All the updates have been loaded, so let's give this a shot. We're going to log in. Okay, we're going to type in the PIN number that I just forgot it was. Let's see. What do you think so far? Does it look neat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. You have some Samsung programs up. All right. I accidentally did the reloading from the desktop computer we have, and I see it's loading up programs from a backup. Definitely not what I wanted to do. So that's my fault. I'm going to have to go back in and remove all that stuff. But I see like there's Bixby on here, which is a Samsung program. Galaxy Book Experience.
Ooh, that was nice.
Let's see what that has.
Okay. I'm excited to see what it has.
All right. Got a new improved video editor. That's nice.
It's nice. We can probably use that one time.
Maybe, huh?
Maybe.
Here, let's crack it open. Let's see what... take full control of your timeline. Drag clips, sounds, music, and more into the timeline. Now, is this free? Do we know, or do we got to pay for this extra? New project settings. Okay, Samsung Studio. I mean, I'm guessing you can download this anytime you want to. That's neat. Extend your computer's display. That's neat. All right. How do we get to... Let's take a look at the system. All right, and there it is. Core i7, 16 gigabytes of RAM, Windows 11 Home. So again, not the most robust, but it's going to do what we need it to do, and it fit our budget, which is always nice too. This is going to be more of a laptop that's shared between the family, so it's doesn't really need to do a lot of things, but I think this will definitely work out in our favor. Let's close the lid. Okay, then let's open it back up. All right, that's very nice. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we should be looking at in here. No, I think I'm just going to do some cleanup, get rid of some stuff that it imported from the backup, and we're good to go. So, all right, now the moment of truth. So, the not so serious unboxing. How many chickens do we give it? Out of how many 5 chickens, rubber chickens, do we give this laptop?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, squeeze it 10 times. All right, there we go. 10 out of 10. All right, this is Josh and my son Riker for our very first unboxing video. Again, I don't expect anyone to learn anything out of this video, but maybe just, get some enjoyment out of it. All right, peace out.
Bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe.